In this video, I'll show you 5 exercises to burn your belly fat that can be done from home without any equipment. Exercise number 1, side plank. Start on your side with your feet together and one forearm directly below your shoulder. Contract your core and raise your hips until your body is in a straight line from head to feet.
Leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hold the position without letting your hips drop for the allotted time for each set. Then repeat on the other side.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Exercise number 2, bird dog. Remain on all fours and tighten your abdominal muscles, keeping your spine and neck in a neutral position. You should be looking at the floor. Slowly extend your left leg behind you while reaching your right arm forward. Hold for 5 seconds. Slowly return to the starting position and do the move on the opposite side. Complete 5 to 10 repetitions on each side.
Finding life along the way, melodies.
Exercise number 3, vertical leg crunch. Position yourself as shown in the video. Engage your core by contracting your glutes and contracting your abs. Lift up towards the ceiling using your chest and not your neck, because this will involve more abdominal muscles. Recommended tempo, 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. Beginners should aim for at least 15 reps continuously before taking 60 seconds break. Increase the number of sets as you progress.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and
Exercise number 4, oblique crunches. Position yourself as shown in the video. Lift up towards the ceiling using your chest, not your neck, as this will involve more abdominal muscles. Aim for 15 reps continuously before changing the direction, then repeat on the other side. And exercise number 5, modified crunches. Engage your core by contracting your glutes and contracting your stomach. Lift up towards the ceiling using your chest, not your neck, because this will involve more abdominal muscles.
we'll go.
Recommended tempo, 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Recommended repetition, 15. To make it easier, keep your feet on the ground.